Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Alrighty, let's get into it. We are starting the day. It's 9:10:24. The start time is 8:42. Risking 20 apples. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm going to try to keep it. Alright, if I lose 20 apples, I am done on the session or day, whatever. So, but we're going to try to do our best to not lose 20 apples. But it's tough every single last week of trading. It has been a drawdown of more than 20 apples before ever finding a win. So we're going to try to find a win at some point before 20 apples, perhaps. All right, so let's begin. All righty. I want to go to the monthly chart. It's pushed down dramatically in the first month of September, and then we've gotten some bounce here on this week, which is just yesterday's day. I would expect this thing to pull down at some point to show something. And it did. It did show something here. I can see that. Let's delete a lot of these things. All right. Shoot. Is that now gone? Please be there. Please be there. Please be there. There it is. That's my zone, man. That's my wrist box. I need that wrist box over here. That's my little wrist box. There she is. That's how much I'm risking. I need it near current price. Yeah, I don't want to just redraw a box when I have a perfectly good box right here. All right, let's go. Monthly chart and then weekly pushed upwards just from yesterday. I expect it to come down and show at least like some strength going downwards. It already has. It's already pushed down to here, but I do want to see if it's... Yep, it pushed down. It pushed down. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly. So that means it pushed from this high where it is now, pushed lower towards here, and then got bought up and went all the way up. So it's already shown once that it's actually twice, because yesterday too, it's already shown a movement downwards. And each and every time it gets bought up. That basically means that the weekly chart, they don't want to have this red. Imagine if this week was red. Just imagine. If this week was red, what would that look like? It would be a big fat wick on top. It would be protecting a whole lot of free space upwards to the next open. It would be pushing lower with a huge momentum bar downwards, comeback bar, and that would be a breakout short on the higher time frame. That would be a breakout short into this wick. That is bearish. So, which can happen. It can happen. That would be pretty cool to see if that would happen. That's volatile. So really, if it's gonna make a run at this low and it's not defended valiantly, it could fold over. So there's chances. There's chances here. There's chances to go short, honestly. And I would go short for a whole move. I want to see the daily once more. So the daily could go lower. I would expect one easy day and then maybe a push tomorrow. It's only Tuesday, dude. So we could expect a base day, but it's already created its range right now. It's already created its range. So this will be interesting, actually. Because it already has its range here. All right, let's see. This is the Globex low. I can delete this one. Globex low. And then Globex high. Is that high? Cool. Oh, no, I didn't even think about if it were wanting to rally up that much. That is a really strong week, dude. That's possible. You're right, dude. That is possible. I really don't know. As far as the day is concerned. Push lower. Got rejected up. Let me see the range on this. 200? 240. Okay. There's only a 16, let's say 20% chance of both sides breaking. So if it breaks the high, we can say that it won't break the low. Well, 20% chance of breaking the low. That's interesting. I don't know. I'm gonna go to the intraday time frame. I want to know on the higher time frame what I'm doing. So if it wants to push upwards, I suppose it can. If it wants to push downwards, the weekly chart's the big deal, dude. If that pushes lower, it pushes on its low, and all it has to do is flip red. There's just going to be a lot of pressure there. A lot of pressure on this bottom. Yeah, here. It's yeah, this thing has created a very decent bottom, dude. This will be interesting. All right. I don't really know on the higher time frames. I'm gonna wait for more action for it to speak to me, because I'm not sure at this stage. I'm not sure what's gonna happen as far as this day goes. It's already broken out. It hasn't really reached too far into this supply. It can push lower, more. Yeah, let's go to 30-minute bars. It has broken. It has indeed broken that Globex high. Has broken that Globex high. I think we might have a smaller day, range bound day. If it's range bound, I'm just gonna sell at the top and long at the bottom. Yeah. This is a decent area to long too. So that's my opinion. That's what I would do. Right now it's still a mess. Still a bit of a mess right here. Wow, look at that push, dude. Nicely done. Nicely done. Nicely done. There's a little ripwick right now. All right. I might take demand open here. I might take demand open. I just want to make sure everything's set. Stop market 40 ticks away. That's true. That's 10 points. I'm short biased on this. Yeah. All right. Where is my little zone here? Little zone, come on up. So, what I see So up here, I would take this. It's not the best. Not the best at all, but it is 10 points. Yeah, 10 points. It's pausing at this 5-minute high. It's having an issue here. If it pops upwards, that is actually a big rejection. I'm in at 62.5, 62.5. There you go. This thing has already rejected a little bit here. Nope. We're going to be in. This is a demand open. Oh, boy. We'll see here. It's having issues. Right after I got... I might cancel my order here. It's already getting it.
Order filled.
We're in. I'm not sure if I should have canceled or not, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world. I'm risking 3 apples. That's what I like. I water down these trades, you know? Water them down. Doesn't matter as much. It really doesn't. Doesn't matter as much. But obviously I don't want to lose. Of course. Yeah, that's the only reason I'm taking the short. We're about to get lost here. About to get lose. I need to make sure my stop's there. Is my stop there? Just want to make sure. Yeah, it is there. $80. Perfect. Same thing every time. No, this thing's got to go 1R for me to be able to participate in this. This is zone number 5010. This was a 3-minute demand open. Actually, a 5-minute. I was paying attention to the 5-minute. 5-minute demand open. End of trend. Really.
Order filled.
And I'm out. Went 0.25R. 3.2 apples. Negative 3.2 apples. 854. That's out. No, that just did not cross that boundary yet. Yep, not good. Surprised. Trying. Technically, it didn't break. All right, there it goes. That's an anti-demand open in trend. Wow, that sucks. I took the demand open. Could have took the opposite. Could have taken. Because this one was end of trend. Out, meaning counter trend. The trend is up. It's quite bullish. It is quite bullish. I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. That looks quite bullish to me. But I will take a short.
Order filled.
This is an anti-breakout on that 1 minute.
Order filled.
And I'm out. 5011. Yeah, just got ran, bro. Look at that. Nobody helping out. It's awfully bullish right now on that 15-minute. No, the 5-minute, was it? I guess the 15-minute. Okay. I'm out of that. We gave it a whirl. Zone number 5011. 0 NA. That was a 1 minute anti-breakout. End of trend. Oh, width on that thing? I don't know exactly. 18. 3.2 apples risk, negative 3.2 apples. Man, I love this position sizing so much better, dude. So much better. It's the same position sizing every trade. I don't have to think. I just click. It's just so good. I don't have to resize every freaking trade I take. I do have to pay attention to small trades, though. I need a very, very, very small risk box. This is my risk box. This is how much I risk. All right. At the moment, okay. Okay there, partner. Just want to check something. Okay. Well, it's coming into this holding level, and I'll be in at 57.50s. I'd be in
Order
now.
filled.
Fuck. Horrible fill. Horrible fill. Horrible fill. My bad. I don't like that fill, but that's all right. It might still work. I should have done a limit order on that. Just saying. This should be zone number 5012, should it not be? It should be 5012. Thank you. 5012. Can you push? Almost a 1R. Almost a 1R. Can't move stop yet, my friend. Only at 1R. Has that hit 1R? I can't tell, bro. I cannot tell. But I can tell you that I'm moving my stop to Piz. This low is at 55.75. Repeat, 55.75. Then I'd be out. 42 bucks.
Order filled.
I'm out. 42. 1.7. It still might turn around, unfortunately, but that's all right. Well, I went long. And I lost. And it's still technically going. This sucks. Yeah. I got out at Piz. That still might work, bro. It's alright. It's alright. Recency is 2-1. Magnitude is 3-2. X score is probably 3R. Arrival is OE of 1 at least. Yeah, totally. Protecting free space of 2. Cool. Nicely done. I can't believe it. Well, I can believe it. I got out. Just leave this be. Technically, I'm a bull on this. I'm free, but I'm more bullish on this. Is this a trend line? kind of see a trend line, but I'm not a trend liner. I kind of see something going on here. I'm not a trend liner though. Either way, I'm bullish on it. I have to be able to go short at the same time though. My mind can switch. No problems. No problems with that. Not sure. This thing could just push up, dude. All right. There's a breakout. I'm taking a breakout.
Order filled.
Dun, 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 dun. 5013. No, it went 0.25R. Right. I can risk less. Why don't you? Because I just risk 3.2 apples every time. I don't have to pay attention. Yeah, it's a little bit of range.
Order filled.
I'm out. Lost that. Oh boy. Lots of losers, mate. Lots of losers. It looked okay. But now it certainly doesn't, so. Certainly broke. Let's take a look at the 3-minute. Keep in mind that this is my wrist box. It's so tiny, so if ever I get in, it really has to go only that direction for the time being. We're down 12.3 apples. All it took was 4 losers in a row. Not a single break even. Not good. That's seriously not good. Look at this range. It's just killing me. That condensing range is just wicking me out all over the place. I was thinking it can just push all the way at this high. Still might, but I will want to see if this thing breaks the low here, which is this low, which actually I got in at right there. That's a big deal right there. I don't know. I think I'm just going to wait. I need my watch, man. Can't do life without my watch, bro. Bahansky. All right, this one's broken. 60-minute just broke the low. Went 2. I wouldn't call that 2.25, no. Huh? No, that's 2R. 50-12 can be closed. And then the 1 minute, please. Good. You know, it's like I don't know. Losing doesn't feel good. We have to fight the urge to we progress our thoughts into being, this is more than just a loss. We are a failure. We must stop that. Losing is not your life is a failure. It's not true. I'm seriously thinking this is going up. If only I could predict the future. That'd be awesome. Wow. Wow. That's bullish, bro. That is bullish. Where can I set my order to go long? Issue is, actually, I would want to short from up here. So I might just let this thing go up if it wants to. Try to play the patient game and then go short. I could. This area is my short, but that could easily break. Not saying it will hold. Could totally break. Somewhere different from where you are. With my eyes wide shut, I'm saying I'm sorry. Na, na, na. I'm miserable. I don't get high off you anymore. Look at that. Look at that. Range bound activities. These Rangers. The frickin' Rangers, eh? Frickin' daggone Rangers, man. These daggone Rangers, man. I'm still very bullish on this range, but I've seen ranges just go crazy, bro. Right when I think it's going to break the high, it's like, it's all a scam. We're going to break the low. Wow. You know? I've been awed probably the most in ranges. Yes. All right. I just think, I can't help but think this is a buy, bro. I want to, but there's no setup right now, technically speaking. Where do I put my box? Right here? That's my box? Actually, I do like that.
Order filled.
I'll take it based on the 5-minute chart. I don't get
Order
high
filled.
off you, and I'm already out. Gosh, it's a tough one, my friend. Oh, and now look, it's going to break the low. Wow. Holy shit. Yeah, this one broke. Wow. Fucking range. That's crazy. It's not hard, man. All you gotta do is trade the range. It's true, I guess. Should have just done that, dude. Yeah, I should have. You're right. I should have just known that it was going to range. Like I said, it'd be cool to predict the future, but unfortunately, I can't do that. Unfortunately. I don't get high off you anymore. Wow. All right, we're at the bottom of the range now. What is going to happen? This range has taken 15 apples from me. That's not okay. More like I chose to do that. It's my choice. It is, man. It is. All right. So the next setup that I have is wait for it to break out, and I'll be in right here for this lonely pivot. I'd be in right there, man. 702. I'd be in at 702. We need small wins, but I tell you, it's hard, bro. This thing's got to break low. This thing's going to go, man. Finally going to go. Wow. Wow. 702. I'm going to be a buyer at 702 way down there. Wow. Wow. Holy cats and dogs. Holy cats and dogs. Come on. Come on. Come to Papa. Come on down. Come on down. Just a little bit more, mate. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a wee bit more. Come on. You can do it.
Order filled.
We're in, and it's a 10-point zone, so we'll be out soon if that's going to break. Check the 3-minute, please. 3-minute looks like a great lonely pivot, to be honest with you. Super tiny. Super duper tiny. Can you take a picture of the 15-minute? I'm about to get stopped here. 15 minutes, a tiny little holding split. Tiny, tiny, tiny. And then I would be going for the high to break. Has this hit 12? Oh, I can't tell. Gosh, I can't freaking tell. There it goes. I know it broke. 702.5 needs to be my stop. 702.5. 02.5. Come on. There you go. Risk free. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. I couldn't tell because the bar is on the same bar right now. It's the entry bar. I can barely tell where it went, so that's fine. 914 we got in. 50-15 zone number. This is a 3-minute. Lonely pivot. Protecting free space of 2. Recency is 3-4. Magnitude is 4-3. X score is way up there. I'm about to get stopped here.
Order filled.
And I'm out. 3.2 apples. We lost nothing, though. That's a good thing. Trail stop at proximal. Proximal, because 1R. 3.2 to 0. Look at that extend itself, and it's over. Went 1.25R. 1.25R. Wow. Okay, then. Out at 916. X score, I don't know. That's probably 3-1, 6-1, 9-1, 10. Yeah, X10. That was a zone. So now what? Well, let's go to the higher time frame. Let's check the daily. Let's push lower. I don't have much risk left. I only have 4 apples left. $60 minutes not going to print for a while. Okay. Well, I would take this holding split here, protecting it up there. That's what I would take. That means I would get in at 48.5, way up there at 48.5. Because I like the 60 minute. I like that area. 60 minutes got a lot of life left, so it's actually technically possible to go green because it's got 3/4 of its life left. It went all the way up. It's gotten pushed down this dramatic. I just think that's pretty a volatile 60-minute bar for only living 1/4 of its life. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's possible that this is the bottom and you want to go long here, actually. I consider that.
Order filled.
I'll consider that. This was a fold point. We're in long. 50-16. Just based on the trend, but I could be wrong. We'll see. Alrighty. This is zone number 50-16. Yep. Oh boy. Anti-breakout city, unfortunately. That's alright. And this is too wide of a zone to take. Roger that. About to get stopped. 3.2 apples. 9:18 I got in. 50-16. This was a 3-minute breakout. In-trend squash. That's what my opinion would be. It's an in-trend squash. It's kind of, yeah, end of trend a little bit, but we'll see. All right. It's gone 0.25R with a 25% pivot in the zone. Unfortunately, my stop is nearby at 18. My stop's at 18, which is here, which is basically the open. No, it's got to really push if it's going to do that. This 3-minute split might hold. Yep. It was a good close. The whole purpose would be long here to break the high. This would just be a retracement for the high to break. But
order filled.
Yeah, it didn't happen. I'm out. I'm out. That's negative 3.2 apples. And now look at it run. If it wants to go That's unfortunate. That's 19.5 apples. That's it. Fucking hey. That's so quick, dude. I need a bigger daily allotment, dude. That's not enough time. I've traded 7 times. All of them, no. 6 of them are straight L's. So I guess that's the purpose. Just straight L's. This one might still work. It's just my zone is this small. So it was right here. It's right there. That's where I got in. It's tough, bro. Trading in 10-point increments is very difficult. That's 19.5. I'm going to have to accept the loss. I barely fucking worked today. That's bullshit. I want it to be double this, to be honest with you, but I can't. I can't afford to lose $1,000 a day. Not with my low ass win rate. I can't do that. Just can't. What I can do is lose $500 a day. That's what this is. So I guess I can do that. I guess. I just cannot do 1,000. That's just too much, bro. Not for my measly 15 grand account. Not possible. Just gonna have to accept it. All right. We're just gonna have to accept that one. That's a bummer. All right. End of trading today. Quite lame. Quite lame. Commission apples negative 19.5 apples. Negative $466 US. The closing apples is negative 17.7. That's without commissions involved. The low is negative 17.7. Yep. Max loss is negative 17.7 because we're not risking more than 20 today. As far as trades go, we had 7 trades and 5 of them went nowhere. 5 of 7 is my 0 NA rate. End time is 9:23. High is 0. We did not make a high today at all. We never won. So minutes in trade. I just think it's bullshit. If this was my last day on Earth, I would definitely trade more than this. I can assure you that. Minutes in trade is 9 minutes. A staggering 9 minutes in a trade. That means I just get stopped out right away. Average risk per trade is... I think it's going to be really good. Oh, it's the exact same. Awesome. 3.2. It's not even an average because I never had more than that. All right, so my monthly chart goes down. That's unfortunate. That's very unfortunate. But I'm trying to lose small, lose small, lose small. Just lose small. Small amounts. 88.4 is my month now, unfortunately. 88.4. Oh, sorry, go back. The high needs to be 107.9. 88.4. There you go. All right. So we're getting a little bit back here. It's all right. Our distribution. Let's do that. This should be very easy. It should be very, very easy. We've got 6 negative 1 Rs, so 36. And then 1 break even brings that to 17. There you go. So just loading up the negatives in my distribution. That's all right. Oh, I did not count the level 1s. I'll do this later. I'll do level 1 later. Okay. Very, very bad day. I mean, risk management was great. Position sizing was great. But the trading was not, clearly. I just got caught up in that range just for a few trades, and then it's over already. It's just that quick. It's just so quick. I'm not pissed or anything. It's just simple. I lose sometimes. A lot of times, actually, I just lose. All right. Yep, everything's set. Alrighty. Alright, deuces. Till next time. Peace.